6 fruits that will flush out toxins from your kidneys. Cranberries. These tart berries are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, but they can also help your kidneys by preventing bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls and causing inflammation. Grapes. These juicy fruits contain resveratrol, a plant compound that can lower kidney inflammation and prevent kidney damage caused by high blood pressure, diabetes, or obesity. Lemons. These citrus fruits are high in vitamin C and citrate, which can help your kidneys by dissolving kidney stones and preventing them from forming in the first place. Pineapples. These tropical fruits are low in potassium, which is good for people with kidney problems, as high potassium levels can cause irregular heartbeat and muscle weakness. Apples. These crunchy fruits are high in fiber, which can help your kidneys by lowering cholesterol and blood sugar levels, which can affect your kidney health. Blueberries. These sweet berries are rich in antioxidants that can protect your kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can damage the kidney cells and impair their function.